G'day folks, Adam here from Glyn Foundry. Today we're having a look at our new range of Glyn Valley four-wheeled coaches. We'll just push those back for a second. We'll start with looking at the two compartment enclosed. We have, as is normal from us, opening doors. These have got magnets to help them stay shut. On this end we have separate steps that you glue into sockets on the body so that they can be painted separately. We have static buffers. I am working on a prototype for a sprung buffer. That hasn't come into these yet, but it probably will. These are set up with a Lincoln pin. They can also be spec'd with a simple hole to screw a hook into, or could be spec'd with no buffers at all and just a centre buffer. On the back we have our handbrake quadrant and what was going to be a lamp bracket, but they are so small and fragile they keep breaking. Our roof has nice weather strips, comes off with a magnet as is normal for us. We have our first class interior, which represents padded seats. This model can also be spec'd with a second class interior that you'll see in a minute to make a second class coach. Next we have our open coach, open third. So same thing, our doors open and are held shut with magnets, firing shut. Same handbrake detail on one end, the same buffers. This hasn't been fitted with its Lincoln pins as yet. And on the back we have very little additional detail. We've got panelling on the upper section as per the prototype and some studs and brackets. Our roof comes off with a magnet, revealing our second or third class seating. This seating can be specified for the enclosed coach. Finally, we have our somewhat fictional, but pleasing to me, combined either guards van or brake van, however you want to think of it. Yet again, we have our handbrake sector and broken lamp bracket. If anyone's got any suggestions on a brass unit I could make these fit, I'd be open to hearing it. On the far end we have our steps, our plain buffers and our Lincoln pin, and as per usual our doors open and bang shut on magnets and our roof comes off. This is currently fitted with no interior, but they will come with a brake stand similar to our Chorus brake and a single seat like the second class. These run on standard Glyn Foundry axle boxes and are currently running 30mm disc wheels on 45mm axles. These are available on our Facebook page. Contact me if you need any more information or any tweaking. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.